Hey everybody, how you doing? So you read the title, and I'm gonna let you know, because everybody has the oils and the creams and the massages and the protective styles, but nobody's talking about the spiritual aspect of why you are not growing, period. You want better, but it's not gonna happen until you change. The reason why your hair is not growing, the reason why your skin is not getting better, the reason why you are not growing in life in general is because you are holding on to an energy that is not serving you. It's not feeding you. That will play a really large role in your life in general. Like it could be a man that you're holding on to, it could be an item that you're holding on to, it could be trash that you're holding on to, it could be a grudge that you're holding on to because you haven't forgiven someone. It could be a number of things, but it's because something is not changing in your life, therefore you cannot grow. And if something is not growing, it is dying. So if you don't see growth, then it's going the opposite way. It is going down in the negatives. Your hair is frizzing up, your skin is getting worse, and people can see it visually when you're not feeling well. And when people look at you, they are expecting to see growth, they are expecting to see better, but it's obvious when you come with your presence and you're still the same. It's because you're stagnant and you haven't sacrificed something, or you haven't let go of something. I can't stress that enough. If you are still the same, you will not see the growth that you want to see. If you are still the same, you will not see the growth that you want to see. So change your life. Do something else. Switch it up. It is the new year. This is the best time to do something new. I don't care how corny it sounds. It is time. It's time to feed yourself. It's time to help yourself. It's time to lift yourself up. Like, let your hair grow. You have no idea what you can have. It's a double dog dare to embrace yourself. So do it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love to interact with people and network. So, feel free to leave your business in the comments, because I'm here for you, because I want to help people. So use me in a good way, because if you use me in a negative way, you're gonna regret it. I'm not the one you want to play with. I'm never alone. Thank you.